you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lala here, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I installed this bad boy wig. Like, I love it. It was really easy to install. It came with a lot of baby hair, so you could customize it however you like, and I just love it. This wig is from Sensational. This is the Cloud 9 Swiss lace. This is the Fulani braid, and look at her hair. Look at mine. It's the same exact thing. So what you see on the picture is actually what you're getting. Don't forget to like this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Join the family. Comment down below any questions you have on this wig, and stay tuned. I'm about to get right into it. This is the Sensational brand Cloud 9 Swiss lace, the Fulani style braids, and I'm gonna open it up. So I'm giving you guys an unboxing also. Gonna unbox it. You just do the snap, slide it out. This is it here. This is how the wig comes. So it's in a net. I'm just gonna take the net off. And this is the braids, you guys, if you could see it. But this is it here, and I love it so far. I think what they did was they placed these pins and styrofoam, this material here, to keep the lace stiff, I guess, and just to keep it in place. But we're gonna take it off so you guys can see. And this is it here. It comes with a lot of baby hair and excess lace, so you can customize it. This is it here. Inside the wig, there aren't any combs, but there is an adjustable strap. I actually don't like combs, so that's not a problem for me. Combs just hurt my head and they just get annoying. I always cut them out. This is what the packaging looks like, you guys, and it has Cloud 9 on it, Swiss lace wig, 100% hand braided lace wig, and this is 100% Kenkalon hair. So the same braiding hair you get, this is what it's made out of. And it gives you some tips also. It says it's hand tied parting with individual braided strands. It has the ultra soft lace. It also says that it has natural edges with baby hair. It's high quality fiber, lightweight, because we don't want no heavy wigs on our head. Like, this is gonna be my summer hair, not to mention. And this is hot water set possible, so if you want to, at the ends of your braids, you can dip them in hot water. And I'm just gonna see how the wig fits to see if I actually need to adjust it. How am I gonna do that if I didn't take this off? So my hair is in some cornrows, and then I have on a wig cap also. Let's try this again. What I am going to do is just pull this forward, and I like it already, you guys. Like, think about it. It looks so natural. Imagine when these baby hairs are slicked down, and they give you so much to work with. So if you're someone who loves baby hairs and just love them all curled up and different designs, you could achieve that with this wig. Or if you are someone who don't, you can just simply cut it off. But this is it here. You could do different styles with it too. I'm just feeling the wig already, and it's not even cut or anything. Comment below if you love this wig, guys. I love it already. And it's easy maintenance. Like, you don't have to go set an appointment with a braid lady and then wait, and then not to mention pay about $250. Like, you always got this wig. All you do is you snap this on. In the nighttime, you don't gotta worry about tying it up, sleeping on braids, waking up with headaches, because that be happening to me. You just take off your wig, baby girl. So anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna give you guys a close look. This is what it looks like. And what I am gonna do is probably place some concealer or just makeup in the cornrows itself, like the parting, just to give it a more realistic look. But about to get started. So the first thing I'm going to do to start on the lace is I'm going to just pull the hair back in one and just tie it with a hair tie, just to keep it out of my way. I'm thinking about if I should cut it on my head, but I'm not going to do that because I can't see really what's going on. So I'm just going to take it off. And I'm just going to show you guys how I cut it. So starting from by the ear part, I'm not going to need none of this. So I'm just going to cut it. And I'm kind of going like in a zigzag motion. Not too straight because you want to give it a realistic look once it's glued on or just placed on, however you apply it. And so that's what I did right there. I'm just going to continue and do this. There is some type of, I don't know what's on this lace. It's like a glue. You know how when you get new stuff and you just have this glue on it, but all of that's gonna be cut anyway, so. Okay, now that all of the lace is off, all of the excess lace is off, I'm gonna place it back on. And this wig is really snug. Like, if you have a huge head, if you're a big head girl, I would not suggest this wig. It is really snug, and the adjustable straps only allow it to get more tight, so that's something you might want to know. And see, right now all the lace is off that I don't want. And I'm just gonna place it on really good. Bring it forward. What I'm probably gonna do in the front here is a swoop like that, and then just a little other one. So I'm gonna just take a scissors and cut this. Okay, that's good for me. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the side ones a bit longer because I like a full edge right there to work with. Now that I got the baby hair cut some, I'm just gonna take it and fold it back so I can add some glue to get this wig on and secured now. So I'm just gonna slide it back some. And I'm going to be using my Got To Be glue. Once that's on, I'm just going to bring the wig forward. I do let it dry sometimes, but right now I think it'll be fine. Just gonna bring it forward, place it down and around, down all my frontals. So just gonna use a little bit. All of the glued spots are down the perimeter of my hair, my hairline. And once that's done, I'm gonna just create my baby hairs. Now that I got my baby hairs done, and I did go a little less baby hair on this side, this one has a little more, I just gave me a little room to tweak later on. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take this is my contour stick by Black Opal in the black walnut color. And I'm just gonna take a makeup brush, and though it isn't extreme, I just want to do right in here. Just to give it a more natural. You can't tell me I didn't just come from getting my hair braided. Like wig cap. This is a really nice time wig. I'm gonna be rocking this a lot this summer. But what you could do is place like jewels on it. You know, the strings. You could get some of them on. Maybe the golds. You could add some beads on it. Give it a real tribal look. This is it here, you guys. Let me know which side you like better. It does have a little hump, but I think the left side is really natural. And it is really realistic. And what I would suggest too, if you don't know how to do baby hair, just cut it all off. Cutting it all off would just make it so much more easier, and it still would look. I love it. Oh my god, let me know if you guys I will have the description. I will have the link of this wig and all of the details of this wig in the description below, so don't forget to look there. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll give you guys an update, but comment any questions you have and we could definitely get those questions answered. I mean, I love this. I can't stop playing in it, but this is totally summer hair and I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment them below. Don't forget to give this video a big you could even get the little clips on it, you know, that they put right here. You could put so much designs on this hair and give it the look you want. You could wear it in one. You could put it up. Well, maybe not up, but maybe if you fix it, you could definitely put it up. But yeah, I love this wig. It is very tight, like I said, so